Hello my crochet friends, this is Lady Jana and welcome back to my channel. It is that time which I need to reveal the crochet pattern. This wedding dress is a duplicate of a very famous princess. This pattern I've always wanted to do but never got my hands on it. When it came out back in the 1980s, it was very expensive, for me at least. And also in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the pattern that is inside this dress. It's a very simple pattern a beginner can make. This is what it is, and we're going to go step by step how to create this pattern. Let's get to it. I hope that you guessed it, but if you haven't, no worries. It is part of the title of this YouTube video. I have not completed the dress yet because it's very long to do. I still have some beading that needs to be added. This is one of the sleeves. I need to do one more, but I am taking my time since I love making this. So if you guessed it, it is Princess Diana and her bridesmaid. So I will also be making the bridesmaid. I purchased this download on Etsy. It's an Etsy shop called MimiPatternStudio. I will leave the description down below where you can find this pattern. If you look on the back, you will see very long train, a very long veil. Something that I need to tell you about the fashion dolls. Fashion dolls has changed since the 1980s. Princess Diana is an 11.5-inch doll. This bridesmaid is 11.5. This would be a 10-inch doll, and this would be a 7.5-inch doll. Unfortunately, the 7.5 I have not found. I found a 9-inch doll. Hopefully it's still gonna fit, but we will see. And this requires a lot of patience to do if you are a beginner. For the price that I paid this, I believe $1.56 on sale, but now they're $3 something Canadian. So it's still very much affordable. If you are a beginner, you can do this. Just take your time. There's some things that are a little bit more complicated to understand. Even I had a little bit of issues. If this is something that you really want to do, go ahead and give it a try. You've got your materials, which fashion doll it fits, and so forth. You also have the gauge instructions. The instructions are very well written. I do have other fashion dolls dresses that I made. Unfortunately, I can't find all of them. It was in storage. I did these fashion doll dresses way back, like I would say like 25 years ago. I've moved since, and I had a dozen, definitely. But right now I can only find 4 or 5. I will show them to you in future videos, but this is what I'm making. I'm very excited. This is something I've always wanted to do, and I will share with you. This little pattern is a very simple pattern. I love the stitch of this. See how nice this is? And for you, I made another little swatch, and I will show you how to make this. To create this interesting pattern, I'm going to be using a medium yarn weight number 4 and a 5mm crochet. We need to do a foundation chain. We start with a slip knot, and we're going to be selecting an even number of chain, 18, 20, whatever you like. In my case, we're going to be using 18 to replicate this swatch. So let's go with 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Next, single crochet right across the chain, and we're going to start with the second chain from hook. To do a single crochet into your loop, yarn over, pull through, and then you yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and you continue to the next loop. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and again the next one, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and you do this across. Now it's time to start our second row. We're going to chain 1, and don't forget, this is your chain, this is your single crochet, the last one you just made, and this is the one before. So when you turn, this one will become your first single crochet, and this is your second. So as you turn, we're going to start our pattern on the second single crochet. This is one, this is the second one. So our pattern is a single crochet into the stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, then you chain 1 and you do a double crochet in the same stitch. To do a double crochet, yarn over into the same stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Next, you're going to skip this single crochet and you're going to repeat the same pattern into your work. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through for a single crochet. Now a chain followed by a double crochet, which is yarn over into the same stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops, and you continue. Skip. In this single crochet, you do a single crochet, a chain, and a double crochet into your work. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, chain. Now a double crochet, yarn over into the same stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and you continue. Skip. 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 So now we're almost at the end of our row. In the last single crochet, we're going to do a half double crochet. To make a half double crochet, yarn over in to the stitch, yarn over, pull through, and then you're going to yarn over, pull through all 3 loops that's on your crochet. You've got your second row completed. Next, chain 1, you turn your work. Let's start our third row. Chain, turn. In the same stitch as you turn, which is your half double crochet, you're going to do a single crochet. And then you're going to start your pattern, but this time you're going to go into the chain 1 space. The chain 1 space is this one. Sometimes it can be a little bit hard to see. Look at how there's a little hole. This is your pattern, and it's right there where there's a tiny hole because there's a chain. into the pull through, then you do a single crochet, a chain, and a double crochet into the same chain space. Let's do that again. Here is our pattern, and if you look right there, you will see this is the chain space into the pattern. Space you go, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through a single crochet, chain one, double crochet, yarn over into the same space, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then you continue. And take your time with this. So there is no rush. Take the time to find where that chain one space is in your work. And also it's easy to see where your pattern is because you do know it's 3 stitches. It's a single crochet, it's a chain, and it's a double crochet. So you do know that the middle one is where your chain is. So now that we're at the end of our row, the last stitch, which is a single crochet, remember we did a single crochet there, you're going to do a half double crochet. So yarn over into the last stitch, yarn over, pull through, and yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. And then we start over. Chain 1, turn, single crochet in the same stitch as you turned, yarn over, pull through, and then you start your pattern in the chain 1 space. Single crochet, chain, and then double crochet. Single crochet, chain, and double crochet. And you continue like this all around. It's going to give you this at the end. You can do all sorts of things with this pattern. You can do scarves, blankets, baby blankets. Your imagination is the one that dictates what you can do with this. If you'd like to be notified when this wedding dress will be completed, don't forget to like and subscribe. And have yourself a great day. Take care. See you in the next video. Bye.